So guys, welcome back to my channel again. In my previous video I shared with us how to make this beautiful beaded necklace, 2 layers beaded necklace using our 30 beaded ball. Okay, so today we are making bracelets and earrings for this to make it complete set. Okay, we are making bracelets and earring for this, so keep watching and do remember to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so to do that, of course, we need our 30 beaded ball, we need our bead, of course, for this, just like this. We need our 30 beaded ball, we need our accessories, gold accessory, we need hook, jump rings, and of course our hair ring. Okay, we need our fire line size 70, stopper, and then pliers. So that is all. Let's just get into the video without wasting much of our time. Okay, so now I'll cut my fire line, the length, okay, for a bracelet, not too long. Okay, you don't need it too long for the bracelets. This is enough. So the first thing I'm going to do is to insert stopper. So I inserted 2 stopper in it, like so. Okay, that's my method. I love it that way. Then I have my hook. I'm going to pass it in it, just like so. Okay, and at this point I'll work my line back into the stopper, just like so, and then pull it tight to the hook. Once that is done, then close the stopper. Cut out the excess like so. That is all. This is a very simple process, perfect for beginners. Okay, then at this point the first thing I will be adding is my bead, the black one, just like this. So this is it. I inserted 3 of it. Okay, so now I'll go in with my gold accessory, followed by 30 beaded ball. So this is it, guys. I added 1 2 3 4 5 6 of it, followed by, we have 3 here. I'm going to insert 3 of the bead. This is it. Now the next thing is to insert stopper. I'll go ahead and add in my hook, then pass my line back into the stopper. Please make sure you know the length of the bracelet you are making. If not, use chain. If you don't know the length of the bracelet you are making, okay, like you want to do it for someone outside, use chain where they can adjust the length. Okay, but because this one I already know the length of the bracelet, so I'm closing it up just like so. That is it. I love it this way because it lasts longer. Okay, but if you don't know the length of the bracelet you're making, make use of chain at this point. Okay, then I'll pull it tight. After pulling it so tight, then I'm going to close the stopper. Okay, It's very easy, very simple. This is a very simple process. Just close this stopper like so. Make sure you close it so tight. And then once that is done, just cut out the remaining line like so. And then that is it. We are done with our bracelet for the necklace. Okay, just close it, and that is it. We are done with the bracelet. Very easy, very simple to make. You see that? So kindly give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you are yet to, and let's make the earring. Okay, this is the bracelet. Let's quickly make the earring. It's not going to take much time. So for the earring, I would love to make use of size 40 fire line. Okay, for the necklace we make use of size 70, but for the earring I would love to use size 40. Okay, just cut it, not too long. We are just making earring, not too long. Okay, the next thing to do, just pick your earring, very easy. Okay, then pass your line into the earring like so. Let it to be in the middle of the line. Okay, then hold both ends of the line just like so. Pick one black of the bead, insert it in the line, both line in it like so. Drop it. This is what you should have. Very easy. Okay, then pick one of the ball bead, then pass your both line in it like so. Drop it. All right, then pick one of your accessory, insert it in the lines like so. Drop it. You can see that. If you want it to be longer than this, I want it longer than this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to pick one of the bead, insert it in it like so. Okay, see that? Then now we are going to close it up. So to close it, I'm using the seed bead that we use for our 30 beaded ball. Insert it in the line like so and drop it. This, you have it. Okay, it will close it up right here. Pick one stopper, insert it in the line like so and drop it. And at this point we are just going to close this part. Just close it. Once you close it, cut out the line. That is it. We have our earring. So now we have our bracelet, we have our earring. So we are done making the earring and the bracelet for our beautiful beaded necklace. 2 layers beaded necklace. See how beautiful it is. So now we have our earrings. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Stay glued to this channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.